Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Get Into Dev, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Today, we're embarking on an electrifying journey into mobile app development using Flutter and Dart programming.
Flutter is a game-changer in the world of app development, allowing you to create stunning, fast, and natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. But before we dive into Flutter, let's get acquainted with its programming language Dart. Dart is a modern programming language developed by Google. It's known for its versatility, combining a strong type system with asynchronous capabilities, making it ideal for both front-end and back-end development. Dart is the language behind Flutter, enabling developers to create high-performance cross-platform apps. Its clean syntax and powerful features simplify coding tasks. Let's see some core features and advantages of Flutter and Dart application development.
Let's start with Hot Reload. Flutter's Hot Reload feature allows developers to instantly see the effects of code changes, speeding up the development cycle and enhancing productivity. Cross-platform consistency. Flutter's single codebase approach enables developers to create apps for both iOS and Android platforms with consistent UI and functionality, reducing development time and effort. Beautiful UIs with widgets. Flutter's widget-based architecture empowers developers to build visually stunning and customizable user interfaces, enhancing user experience and app aesthetics. Alright, we've dipped our toes into the exciting world of Flutter and Dart, uncovering the basics that lay the foundation for our coding journey. But hold on to your seats, because in our next video, we're going to dive headfirst into creating our very first program. So buckle up, get ready to code, and remember, the journey to mastery starts with that first step. Keep the tech energy alive. Tap that like, spread the love, and subscribe our Get Into Dev. A heartfelt thank you for tuning in.